Wow! Joanna Robles. I rate this look a 9 out of 10. Very elegant, very classy, very long skirt, Joanna.
10 out of 10! Why? Because I know the top! Very boyish and guapo sa bottoms and very chic and beautiful sa top!
My rate is 15 out of 10. It's a very sexy outfit and stylish.
Okay, maganda siya. Alam niyo, sobrang tibay niyan kasi 3 years na yung top na yan. Pero kung ako niyan, lalagyan ko siya ng jacket. So, 9 over 10.
I like the matching, yung top and bottom. I like how you played with the accessories.